In this video, we're going to be converting between different lengths measurements, and I'm going to be using these conversions here to do it. So first off is we're going to convert 7 inches to centimeters. So I'm going to use dimensional analysis to do that, and that just means I'm going to take 7 inches over 1, and I'm going to multiply it by the unit conversion I need, which is inches to centimeters here. 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. I have to get rid of the inches up here, so I'm going to put inches in the bottom, and I'll put centimeters up here since I have this approximation. So 1 inch and 2.5 centimeters. Here the inches cancel out, and I just do 7 times 2.5, which is going to give me 17.5 centimeters. So if you're just converting from inches to centimeters, and either way to do it aside from this is you just take the inches you have and multiply it by 2.5 to get the centimeters. Another thing I got here is 25 centimeters to inches. So 25 centimeters over 1. And since I got to get rid of centimeters, I'm going to put them in the bottom. And I know that I have a unit conversion approximation from inches to centimeters to inches. So I can say inches up top, and that'll be 2.5 in the bottom and 1 up top. Centimeters cancel each other out, leaving me with just the unit inches. And so I'm going to have 25 divided by 2.5, which will give me 10 inches. And another way to do it is if you're just going from centimeters to inches, just take what your centimeters are and divide it by 2.5 instead of having to go through the steps here. But again, whichever way is more convenient for you. Last, we're converting 5 feet to meters. So this one's going to take a little bit longer than the last two. So I have 5 feet over 1, and I got to get from feet to meters, which using the measurements I have here, I can't do it in one step. I'm going to actually have to do it in a couple of steps. So first off, I'm going to convert my feet to inches. And since I got to get rid of feet, I'm going to put the unit foot in the bottom, and I'll have inches up top, and 1 foot is 12 inches. But again, I got to get to meters, so I'm going to convert my inches to centimeters. So it means I got to get rid of the unit inches. So inches here and centimeters. And since I know 1 inch and 2.5 centimeters is the approximation, I can just fill that in. And then finally, I got to do it one more time because I need to convert my centimeters to meters. So I'm going to have centimeters in the bottom and meters up top. And if you are unfamiliar with that approximation, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter, 100 centimeters. And so now I can start canceling and then multiplying. Feet cancel out, inches cancel out, centimeters cancel out. And now I just have the unit of meters. And so now I'm going to do 5 times 12 times 2.5, all divided by 100, which is going to give me 1.5 meters. So this one we had actually 2 intermediate steps to get where we needed, but again, we just take our feet, get rid of them and turn them into inches, get rid of the inches and turn them into centimeters, and then get rid of our centimeters and turn them into meters.